Hello everyone, good evening. Everyone, is my screen and my voice clear? Okay. So everyone, I hope you have kept watercolors ready. Watercolors, permanent marker. We need CD marker, okay? Don't take broad tip. We need pointed tip CD marker, okay? Yes. So everyone, before you start, you can just take your watercolor palette and just add water in some of the colors that we will be using. By that time, it will get activated, okay? Just add water in your light blue color. It's okay, Kyra, any watercolor you can use. Okay. Okay, Kyra, use any pen if you have black pen. Everyone, you have to add water in your dark blue color and light blue color. Then add water in your white color. Okay. So that when we will start with the painting, the colors will be activated. Okay. Then black color. Yes, only just blue color, black and white. You can just add water in that and you can keep it aside. Okay. Yes, I will repeat the colors: light blue, dark blue, black and white. In 4 colors, we have added water. Okay. All right. So everyone, here you can see we have to draw the scenery inside a leaf. Okay, it's a maple leaf. We have to draw it exactly in the center and big. Okay. Pratik, light blue, dark blue, white and black. Okay, just 4 colors. So everyone will start with the leaf first. Observe its outline. You can make slight changes, no problem. See here how we have to do. If you have scale handy, use that. Scale, everyone. Check. I am adding a center line like this, very lightly, okay? This is just for our reference. We are going to erase it afterwards. Just observe, everyone. Don't start now. Just observe. We will start it together. See, I've added very lightly center line. Okay. Then I'm adding 2 slanting lines, one on left, one on right, like this. Check. Like this. Same way I'm doing here. These are just reference, okay? Atharv, it's watercolor. See here, everyone. These are the reference line. See, we have added reference line for this part, the top part, and this right part. Okay. For these 3 parts, we have added reference line. Check, everyone. I'm showing on the rough paper. Just observe. Check. Taking the top part, we have to make a shape like a V, pointed tip. Kyra, now just observe. We are going to do this step together. Okay. I'm just showing on the rough paper the outline for leaf. You all need to observe. Okay. Center line, 2 slanting lines from center. Okay. Then I've added a top part, upside down V shape. Now we have to use curve lines like this. Check. In this way. And you have to take this part as a reference for this part. You can make slight changes, everyone. You have to just use curves like this. Okay, some big, some small. Observe. Make some part big. And then go to the center again in this way. Check one side. It will look like this. We have just used semicircles. No, Pratik, you can take any measurement. Just cover maximum part of your page. Okay. Hi, Kiona. I'm just showing on the rough paper, everyone. Don't start now, okay? See the second side as well. Same step we have to follow. Check. We have made this V shape. Start adding curves. Go down. Take this line as a reference. Okay, these two parts are big. And finally, you have to connect it in the center. Okay, like this, we will get a perfect shape, everyone. Inside this, we have to add house. Okay, come on, let's start adding line, center line. Now you can do with me. Come on, let's start. Take the center, everyone. Very lightly, I'm adding a line. Yes, Tanvi, show. Okay, Tanvi, correct. Lines are correct. Just make it light. Okay. Now I'm doing two slanting lines. Take the center of your page, everyone. Center. Mark a dot. Okay, Arjun. Everyone, this is just for reference. Don't make it dark, okay? Yes. Slanting line. Slanting line. Very lightly, we are going to erase it, okay? Just show me these lines if you have added. Okay, Spruha. Yes, okay, Kyra. Kyra, make it light, okay, little bit. Come on, Ashmit. All right, Sanika. Yes. Then what we have to do? From top, make a V shape. Like this. Make a V shape. Come on, Ishwar. Come on, Anaya, Spruha. Gauri, Anshul, start. I'm keeping it here for your reference, okay? Come on. Okay, let's complete right side first. Now extend this curve. Ishwar, you can take any measurement. Just check that you're filling entire page. Don't draw it too small. Okay, you can take any measurement. Yes, Radnai. Radnai, make this line exactly in the center. Okay. Standing line very lightly and add two slanting lines on sides from center of your page. Okay. We are starting with the outline. Come on, let's do the right side now. Add a curve line. Semicircles, semicircles. Come on, Tanvi. Make this part pointed, everyone. I'm keeping the drawing for your reference. Just complete right side for now. Making this part. Come on, add it, everyone. Okay, Tanvi. Tanvi, see this line, make it more down. check this line. Come on, Ashmit. I'm waiting, everyone. Just complete right side and show. You can add extra curve, make the ends pointed. 1 minute, Arjun, hold. Show. Okay, Tanvi. Tanvi, you can make it see this part. Okay, Arjun. Then we add one more part here and then connect it down. Okay, so you will get the shape perfect. Yes, Ashmit, correct. See here, like this we have started. Okay, make a curve here. 1, 2, make this part pointed. Start with the curves like this. Make some big. And then connect it here. Okay, Kyra. Getting it, Adya? Anaya? Yes, show. If you are done, show. Very nice, Pratik. Perfect. Good. Come on, Kiona. Yes. Vedant, Adya, well done. Do the second side same. Adya, correct. Come on, let's do the second side. Make the end pointed, slightly extend it. Yes, Sanika. All right, Toira. Okay, Sanika, you can continue. Make the ends pointed. Slightly uneven line, okay? Then only it will look natural. Come on, Sarah. Sidiksha, just check the name. Come on, Ratnai, Vedant. If you are done with the leaf, you can erase these reference line, okay, which are inside. Okay, Ratnai. Come on, Kiona. See here, we have made V shape. Okay, Adya, good. Continue with the curves. Yes, okay, Adya. Correct, Ashmit, nice. Yes, 1 minute, Ratnai, show. Yes, okay, Radnai, no problem. Everyone will get different curves, so no problem, okay? Add stem line here, everyone, exactly in the center, like this. Yes, Kiona? Okay. Kiona, just see here. We want this part little bit broad. Just shift this line little bit more on right side. Okay, Pratik. Add the stem line, everyone, like this. We have center line for reference. Use that. Okay, Kyra, great. Now you can make these lines clear. Erase them. Its work is done. Yes. Okay, Sidiksha, correct. Done. Anaya, got the shape, perfect. Come on, everyone, make it clear. Okay. Let me know so we can start. Pratik, we need to add house inside it. Then you can start. Come on, let's start adding house. So everyone, you have to draw it in the center, but little bit on right. Okay. Because we need to show tree here. So we need to leave some space. Check, this part is in the center, but maximum part is on right side. So draw it accordingly. I'm keeping it here for your reference. We can start it together. Check. Start adding everyone with me. Check its shape. It's a simple house. You can make use of scale for lines. Okay, come on, start. Start with the roof part. Make two standing lines here. Little bit inside. Everyone, if you want roof measurement, it is 4 centimeter, okay? Roof measurement, this line is 4 centimeter. Height is 5. Add a chimney on top, on roof part. Let the lines get overlapped for now. Yes, okay, Pratik. Okay, here it is window, rectangular shape. Okay, add 3 lines inside it, 3 standing lines. Add the baseline. Everyone, its baseline is uneven, okay? Check. We are going to show snow down here. So the line is uneven. Okay, so Diksha, correct. Which part, Mishika? House? Leaf, okay. Everyone continue with the house, okay? I will just quickly show leaf once again, then we can continue. Okay, Spruha, good. Yes, Tanvi, check this line. Correct this one. See, Tanvi, take your scale, match it to this line. and just move your scale slightly on right side. So you will get this line correctly. Okay. Arjun, 8 centimeter. See Mishika. First, you have to add center line with your pencil very lightly. Okay. Then take the center, add 2 slanting lines like this. Which part? Arjun, 8 centimeter. 0 to 8. Okay. Mishika, you have to leave very small space here. Okay. Standing line, center. Then start from top with a V shape. This one. Use semicircular curves like this. Make this part pointed. Continue like this, go down. And connect it in the center. Okay. Same you have to do on other side. You can make slight changes. Everyone, once house is done, show me, okay? Add stem line. Okay, so Diksha, Tanvi, all right, Pratik, Kaira, correct? Okay, Sanika, Anshul, correct? Okay. Now everyone, here we have to show tree. Just add a center line to it. Okay, no need to add details. Yes, Sarah. 1 minute hold. Yes, very good, Sarah, correct. Just add center line to it. Okay. Come on, Gauri, Atharv. The texture part of the tree, we will show it directly with the brush, okay? Now everyone, here we have to show compound like this. Start from the house, from baseline little bit up and add a line like this. Add some poles. Like this. Come on, Ria, Kiona. Add a pathway. Just add lines for it. Come on, everyone. Almost done. Okay, Sidiksha, correct? And here there is a tree, small tree. Add a baseline to it. You can just use a single line for now. While using brush, we will get the thickness. Okay. See, just use single line. Don't go over house. Adjust it depending upon space, everyone. Okay, complete this much part. I'm waiting. Okay, you can skip the tree, no part. Which part, Pratik? Okay, if you don't have space for this tree, you can skip it. Yes, very good, Arjun. Okay, Pratik, you can skip this. If you don't have space. Everyone, only this much drawing we have to add. Okay. Other details directly while painting. Just show me once done. Yes. Uh, okay, Pratik, you can continue with the tracing. Yes, Kiona, 1 minute hold. Okay. Kiona, see these lines. They are proper standing. Just correct that and add just 4 to 5 only. Yes, Diksha. Yes, Arjun, you can start. Just show me and then you can start with the tracing. Okay. Any doubt, anyone? Let me know. Okay, Arjun. Arjun, check this part, this leaf part, slightly extend, make it pointed just like your right side. 1 minute, Anshul. Come on, Ashmit. Anshul, correct. You can start with the tracing. Anshul, 1 minute. See this line of roof. See, take your scale, place it like this, and shift your scale on right side. Both the lines are parallel. Okay. Yes, then we use. No, you have to use permanent marker, CD marker. Vedant, correct. Come on, Kyra. Yes, Arjun, use. Sidiksha, okay. Words you can do if you don't have marker. Okay. Yes, Anshul, now it is correct. Yes. Come on, Anaya. Yes, Kyra, check this part, this center part, erase that. All the lines are standing. Yes, start tracing. If you are done. Mishika, done. Athar, Gauri, Riya, Adhya, Sanika. Come on, Sarah. Pointed tip CD marker, everyone. Spruha, done. Yes, Adhya, you can continue. All right, Spruha, correct. Spruha, these lines you have to make little bit outwards, okay? Yes, correct, Kyra, you can continue. Don't use broad tip marker. No, Sidiksha, you can skip this. You can use afterwards, after painting, okay? Come on, Sarah. Yes, Spruha, use. Adya, done with the drawing. Come on, continue. Yes, each and every pencil line. Which snow you're asking, Arjun? This? Yes, all pencil lines you have to trace. Don't trace this line, okay? Okay, Anaya. If you have ball pen, black ball pen, or any waterproof pen. Okay, Sanika. Good. Yes, Diksha, you can use them. Come on, Vedant, Anshul, Atharv. Kyra, if you have waterproof pen, normal. Yes, normal black pen, just check that it's waterproof. Try it on your rough paper first. Otherwise, do it afterwards. Come on, Ashmit. Ishwar. Yes, Kyra. Come on, everyone. Continue with the tracing. Don't trace overlapping lines. Make use of scale for lines. If you're not getting it perfect, continue. Come on, Tanvi. Mashika, done with the drawing. Started tracing. Done, Tanvi. Okay, Tanvi, correct. You can erase pencil lines. No, Arjun. Okay, Arjun. Come on, I'm waiting, everyone. Complete your tracing and let me know. Um, yes, Ruha, you can add afterwards. We are going to add stars. Okay, moon you can add. Not now, afterwards directly with white. Okay, come on. Continue, erase your lines and let me know. Okay, Spruha. Correct. All right, Spruha. Erase the reference line that we have added first. Check that it's not visible. Very nice, Ria. Perfect. Okay, Ria. Correct. Yes, Anshul. Okay, correct. Ashmit, if you have traced, no problem because we'll be using black color there, so it will not be visible. Okay, if you want to add, you can. All right, Sanika. Okay, Kiona, no problem. Later, trace it with your normal sketch pen, okay? All right, Tanvi, Sanika, okay? Okay, Arjun, good. Everyone, I have taken number 6 round brush, okay? Yes, Adya, show. Okay, all right, Adya. And just slightly you can increase the height for this line, okay, afterwards. Come on, update me if you are done. So we can start with the painting. Okay. Okay, Pratik. Okay, Kaira. So before starting only, we have added water in our light blue, dark blue, and black and white. Okay. Okay, Adya, now it is correct. So everyone, while painting, don't go outside your border, okay? We want the background completely white. Come on, get ready. Okay, Kyra. Kyra, you have Kyra, use it afterwards, your pen, okay? No problem. Spruha, take number 6 brush. Okay, Adya. Okay, Athar. Check if you have violet color. Yes. Come on, let's start. So everyone, what we have to do? We have to start with the dark blue color from top. Okay. And then we have to take light blue color. So in my set, there is ultramarine blue and cerulean blue color. Okay. So you have to take dark blue color from top, some part, and then you have to start using light blue color, and we have to blend it in the center. Use good amount of color. Come on, let's start. Mix your dark blue color first. Okay, Kyra. First complete painting, and once it is dried, you can use your pen. Okay, come on. Start applying dark blue color. Yes, Adya, dark blue color. Use good amount of color, everyone. Don't go outside border. Athar, check if you have any blue color. In that, you can add some black and make dark blue. Poster colors, check if you have. With acrylics, it will be little difficult, but still you can use if you don't have option. Yes, Pruha. Ashmit, it's dark blue color. Any dark blue which is there in your set, you can use that. Maintain the borders, everyone. Top to bottom, we have to go. Yes, Mishika. Adya, you can use that color. Come on. Do with me, everyone. Top part, we want dark. Number 6 brush. Make it even, everyone. Good amount of color. I think this much part is enough for the dark blue. Okay, like this, dark blue color. Now, everyone, I'm starting with the light blue color, okay? Wash your brush, mix your next color. And start with that. Overlap the colors, okay? Kiona, in your dark blue color only, you can add some white and you can do that. Everyone, when you're starting with the next blue, first blend the colors, okay? And then you can move forward. Yes, Adya, correct. First dark, then light as you go down. Don't leave any white space. You can go over the marker line, okay? It will be visible, no problem. Yes, correct, Pratik. Till the baseline of house, you have to do. Ria, mine is top one is ultramarine blue and this is cerulean blue color. I don't have light blue in this. You can take normal light blue and dark blue in your set you have. Blend the colors in between, everyone. Overlap it. Come on, everyone. Do it till here. I'm waiting. Yes, 1 minute, Kyra. Hold. Yes, okay, Kyra. Perfect. Kyra, just check here, small gap. Come on, Mishika, Gauri. Yes, okay, Kyra. Now it is correct. Let me know once done. Yes, okay, Sadiksha. Good. Done, Pratik, Anaya. Spruha, got the effect. Vedant. Everyone blended colors in between. Anshu, Lathar. Don't use more water. While blending, you can take just a wet brush. Okay? Yes. Adi, you can use smaller number brush. After this, we are going to start with the house. Okay? So I have changed my brush. I have taken smaller number. You can take number 4. Come on, let's start with the house. Then Sarah. So everyone, roof part, we have to show white. We have to show some snow there. So I've kept it white. What we have to do, we have to apply some white color. And just for the border, we have to use our light blue color. Okay, it will get mixed and you will get effect like this. Okay, check here. We have already added water in white. So we can use it directly. Fill the roof part. Instead of blue, if you want to take any other color, you can. But keep white color common. White color I'm applying. Like this. Fill it completely. And then just take some cerulean blue or your light blue color and just go on the border, everyone. Yes, okay, Tanvi. Okay, Kyra, just check that you're not going outside border. Just use a wet brush, everyone, to blend white and blue color. Okay, leave it like this. Okay, Sudiksha. Come on, Kiona, Kyra. Anshul, Ria. Okay, Anshul, correct. Okay, good. Now everyone, I'm taking brown color, okay? Normal brown color. And we have to color house. You can take burnt sienna color from your set. I'm using same smaller number brush. If you want to change color, you can. It's brown, everyone. Same color for both parts. Come on, continue. Everyone, we have to leave this part blank, okay, as it is. Observe and then paint. Giving orange color inside window. You can take orange or a yellow. Okay, do it till here. I'm waiting. Come on, Sarah. Come on, everyone. Orange color, brown color. Okay, Sudiksha. Okay, Kyra. Good. Come on, Vedant. Adya. Done, everyone. I'm taking black color, very less amount of color I'm taking. If you have gray color, you can take that. Ishwar, see for the roof, first you have to apply white color completely. And then you have to take your light blue color and just give it on these two lines and blend. Roof part, sorry, chimney, you can make it gray. If you don't have gray color, you can mix white and black. You will get perfect color. Okay. Top part, leave it blank, or else if you have filled it, afterwards use white color on it. Okay. Now everyone, of the roof, we have to show some shadow down here. Okay. Under roof, we have to show shadow like this using dark brown. So if you have dark brown or a coffee brown color in your set, you can use that, or else in the same brown color, add little black. I don't have coffee brown, so I'm just adding some black in my brown. Very less amount. Okay, dark brown. Dilute the color, okay? And see the dark effect. Under the roof, we have to add. It will add more depth to our work, okay? On some places, we have to add using same dark brown. Use number 4 brush, everyone, for this. I hope it's visible, everyone. Dark brown. Come on, Gauri, Mishka. Under the window, one line. Come on, everyone. I'm waiting. Complete the house and show. Getting it, Prateek? Yes. Prateek, just check this part. Make it dark. Yes, the gray color. Make it more dark. Everyone, if your marker lines are looking blurred, you can use very small number brush and use black color and you can retrace them, okay? We want our house to be visible clearly, borders. We have painted windows with orange. Use some brown color over here on the lines. Use brown, very less amount of color, okay? And add a center line to it. Brown color, okay? Normal brown. That's it for the house, everyone. Complete and show. One minute, Sadiksha, hold. Yes, Sadiksha, see here. Your lines are not visible. Just trace it once again, okay? With the black color. Use very pointed tip brush. Just let me know once it is done so we can move forward. Vedant, Kiona, Kyra, Sanika got it? Okay. Anaya, Ashmit. Yes, very nice, Ashmit. Ashmit, just trace the roof line once again, okay? After it is dried. All right, Tanvi. Good. Okay, Kyra. Everyone, if you want to show some smoke over here coming out of chimney, you can show like this. So it will look more attractive. Okay. Just using white color. Now everyone, ground part we will start. Here we have to show snow, okay? So what we are going to do, same step that we have followed for roof. First, base color will be white, and then on few areas only, we will add some blue color, okay? When our white color is wet, at that time only we will add some blue so that it will get mixed, okay? So now everyone dilute your white color nicely and fill this part completely, entire part. Come on. I'm adding water in white. Fill this part completely with white. Diluted color, okay? Don't go outside border, everyone. Complete white. Come on, everyone. Before it gets dried, we have to use blue color on it, okay? Then only it will get mixed. Done with the white, everyone. Doing it. Okay, I have filled it completely white. Now we have to take the light blue color, okay? Dilute the color little bit. And see, you have to start from here. You have to add some strokes like this. On few places. And as our base color is wet, it will get mixed immediately, okay? Start from the corner. Like this. Add some strokes. Blend it little bit. Okay, Kyra, slightly blend it. Blend white and blue. Add more amount of blue under the house, okay? It will look little bit dark there. Come on, Ashmit. Come on, everyone. 1 minute, then we hold. Then you can add some more blue color. Okay. Yes. Okay, Sadiksha, add some more blue. Everyone, you have to add light blue color, okay? Yes, yes. Ashmit, very nice effect. Good. When your white color is wet, at that time only you have to add, okay? And if you want to lift some extra color, just clean your brush, remove excess water and just use it where you want to lift. Okay, if there is any excess color, you can lift it with your brush like this. Yes, come on. Corners of the leaf are dark, okay? Try to keep them dark, everyone. Complete this much part and show me. I'm waiting. We are almost done. Arjun getting the effect. Gauri, Mishika, Tanvi. Don't overwork, everyone. Okay, Sidiksha. Come on, Sruha. Now, everyone, we will start with the tree after this. Check this part is dried or not. Your blue color. Dried. Okay. So we can use black color on it. Okay. Use only black, everyone. See how it is. First, you can trace the center line that we have added. Okay. Use good amount of color and see. You have to add lines like this. You can do dabbing as well. See, like this. Every time you can lift your hand. Just like a Christmas tree, everyone. You have to make shape. Just dab your brush. In between, some background color should be visible, okay? Use dabbing method, everyone. See like this. Make dots close to each other. Make the top part pointed. Same smaller number brush I'm using. Okay, come on. Use good amount of color. Yes, 1 minute, Kyra. Yes, okay, Kyra, slightly make this top part pointed. Yes, very nice, Adiksha, correct? Come on, Arjun, Sanika. Yes, Arjun, very nice effect. Good. Yes, okay, Pratik. Pratik, you can add one stroke here in between. Here. Ashmit, try to make the top part pointed, just like a V shape. Upside down V shape. All right, Tanvi, okay. Everyone, just check this part is dried or not, then only start painting, okay? You can trace the tree. Okay, Ashmit. Use only color, okay? Don't dilute it much, otherwise it will get mixed with the base color. Yes, yes, Pratik. Everyone check, here we have the ground line. Trace that also with black, like this. Very thin line. Come on, Anya. Yes, Pratik, you can use acrylic. Use small number brush, everyone. Come on, Gavi, Mishika, Kiona. You can add some extra grass here. Okay, come on, I'm waiting. Almost done. Complete the black color part like this. Yes, very nice, Sanika. Sanika, 1 minute hold. Sanika, just add orange color in window more, so it will look more bright. Come on, Spruha. Now we just need to paint the stem line and we will add some stars. Then we are done. Okay. Okay, Pratik. Nice. Everyone, I'm using yellow ochre color, okay? And filling this part, you can take brown or yellow ochre. Yes, Pratik, you can. Okay, like this. Come on, Spruha, Ashmit. Now, everyone, one last step, stars. You have to dilute your white color little bit. Okay, don't make it too watery, otherwise it will not be visible. It will get mixed with blue. See here, I'm taking good amount of white color, remove excess color, and you have to just do dabbing like this. Slightly hold it far, okay, not too close, little bit far. And when you want small stars, then you can go little close and you can dab your brush. You can go over the tree, no problem. Go over the house. As our background is white, it will not be visible, okay? Dilute the color white. Okay. Complete it like this, everyone. So this will be the final look of our work. Everyone getting the dabbing method, how you have to do stars. Dilute your white color, hold your brush in your hand, and you can dab the brush with your other hand. Okay. Don't add much water. Yes, 1 minute, Pratik. Okay, Pratik. Good. Come on, Tanvi, Sidiksha, Sara, Kiona, Anaya, Sanika, Spruha, show. Yes, Kiona. Okay, Kiona, house part, you have to use little bit orange. It has become black. You can retry it, okay? Or else use acrylic color on that. Come on, Anaya. Arjun. If your marker lines are blur, you have to retrace it, okay? Yes. Okay, Arjun, correct. Arjun use black color for baseline of house. Okay, Sidiksha, see, missed this line, black color, baseline of house. You have to use black color there, okay? Yes. Yes, Ria, you also check this line and later fill this part. Okay. Other things are perfect. Sarah, Tanvi. Okay, Ashmit. Yes, I will show that. So here I've already done. I will show on this paper. Okay. See, you have to dilute your white color. Okay. Remove excess color from your brush. And see, you can hold it in your right hand. And with your left hand, you can just dab it like this. Okay. On the blue color part, you will get dots. If you go closer, you will get smaller dots. And if you hold it little bit far, you will get big dots. Okay. Just go around sky part like this. No problem if you go outwards. As our paper background is white only, it will not be visible. Okay. Come on, everyone. Show me your final drawing. I hope you liked it, everyone. Everyone, next week we need acrylic colors, okay? So if you don't have acrylics, you can keep it ready. Next week, we are going to do this painting with acrylics. If you want to do it on canvas, you can do. Okay. These two drawings we are going to do. Okay. I will update the materials very soon in the group. Okay. Come on, everyone. Anyone left to show their work? Vedant, Mishika, Ishwar. Share your last class work also, everyone. Yes, very nice, Diksha. Okay, 1 minute, Anya. Okay, good, Anaya. Nice. Anaya, see if you can add some more blue color down. Yes, Ishwar, very nice. Sadiksha, good. Nice. Okay, Kiona, good. Come on, Ria. Yes, Ria is done. Ashmit. Yes, Ishwar, stem line. Okay, Kiona. Ishwar, stem line, yellow ochre. All right, Spruha. Nice, you have added moon. Good. Everyone will be waiting for your work, okay? Come on. Anyone left? Nishika, Sarah. Pratik, share your work. Everyone, I want all your 4 drawings, okay? Share it if you have not posted in the group. Yes. Okay. Good work, Tanvi. Tanvi, add more stars, okay? Nice. All right, Sanika, nice work. Okay, everyone, let's end the session here for today. See you all in the next week. Bye. Take care.